Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to grow green arrow peas. Sow seeds 1 inch deep and 2 inches apart in well-draining soil. Monitor moisture closely until seedlings emerge, and then water deeply once or twice weekly. Install a trellis when plants reach a few inches to prevent tangling. Thin, crowded seedlings, so each plant has room to develop pods and air circulation to reduce disease. Prepare beds with compost and a loose texture so roots spread easily and drainage is good. Sow seeds in rows or hills, keeping spacing consistent for airflow and light. Use a soil thermometer to confirm warmth before planting and avoid compacted spots. Lightly firm soil over seeds and label rows so you can track varieties and planting dates for staggered harvests. If you're enjoying these tips, please subscribe and like so I can keep sharing useful gardening advice. Quick recommendation: the Oala water bottle is great for long sessions in the garden because it stays cold and fits in most cup holders. It's a nice way to stay hydrated while tending peas or carrying tools. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Keep plants healthy with regular watering, especially during flowering and pod set, and avoid wetting foliage unnecessarily. Mulch helps maintain steady soil moisture and reduces weeding chores while protecting shallow roots. Watch plants daily for signs of pests or disease and remove affected foliage promptly. Handpick larger pests and consider organic controls like insecticidal soap or neem oil for small infestations to protect beneficial insects.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.